How to change the audio language on YouTube videos. So let's get started right away, because this is going to be a very quick and easy video. Now this is a video of Mr. Beast, and if you click on these three dots at the top right corner, you should see audio track right here. And now not every single video has this, only videos that choose to do this. So Mr. Beast actually has this, and maybe a couple other YouTubers, and maybe more in the future. But right here you can change the audio track to English or Spanish. If you change it to Spanish, then of course this video is going to be in Spanish, so that you can change the audio. And you can also go to the subtitles, or here he has only English subtitle. This is basically how you can change the language. So I'm just going to change it back to the English. And but yeah, it's pretty cool as you can actually change the audio language. So yeah, if this quick video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me comment if it works, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.